Hello everybody, this is Jason from MaggieFrame. In this video, I will introduce the hooping station kits for the Tajima regular hoops. Actually, this hooping station fixture can also work for the Melco, SWF and the Sew Tech regular embroidery hoops. In this hooping station kit, we have 4 different size fixtures. This is the 12 cm fixture with freestyle arm used for the 12 cm Tajima, Melco, SWF, and Sew Tech regular embroidery hoops. The SKU number is FT-T12. As we know, the 12 cm hoop is popular for the chest logo embroidery job. This fixture for the 12 cm hoop can work on the main station and also work on the sleeve station. This fixture can greatly improve the speed during the hooping process in mass production. This is a 15 cm fixture with freestyle arm used for the 15 cm Tajima, Melco, SWF, and Sew Tech regular embroidery hoop. The SKU number is FT-T15. As we know, the 15 cm hoop is popular for the chest logo embroidery job. This fixture for the 15 cm hoop can work on the main station and also work on the sleeve station. This fixture can greatly improve the speed during the hooping process in mass production. This is the 18 cm fixture with freestyle arm used for the 18 cm Tajima, Melco, SWF, and the Sew Tech regular embroidery hoop. The SKU number is FT-T18. As we know, the 18 cm hoop is popular for the big chest logo or small jacket backs embroidery job. This fixture for the 18 cm hoop can work on the main station and also work on the sleeve station. This fixture can greatly improve the speed during the hooping process in mass production. This is a 30 cm fixture used for the 30 cm Tajima, SWF, and the Sew Tech regular embroidery hoop. The SKU number is FT-T30. As we know, the 30 cm hoop is popular for the jacket, bags, and adult forefronts embroidery job. This fixture for the 30 cm hoop can only work on the main station. This fixture can greatly improve the speed during the hooping process in the mass production. In next video, I will introduce the skills and experience about how to use the hooping station and the fixture to improve the productivity in the hooping process. If you like my video or if you want to know more about the skills or experience of MaggieFrame's or HoopTalent hooping station, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.